Welcome to PowerShell for InfoSec. In this course, I cover key topics that are relevant for users of PowerShell when it comes to both offensive and defensive security. My name is Carrie Roberts, and I am a software developer, turned pen tester, turned red teamer, turned blue, or network defender. So I bring unique insight when it comes to PowerShell and how it applies to InfoSec. In this class, we start off by covering PowerShell fundamentals to bring everybody onto the same page. We cover the PowerShell execution policy and how we can't rely on that as a security feature. We look at the session history file, how that's convenient for users and also for forensics investigators or incident responders, but can't be relied on. We talk about PowerShell modules and how to create them, load them, and reuse them. We also cover integrated development environments or IDEs and how that will help you in your development of PowerShell scripts. I highlight 10 of the most popular PowerShell attack tools, explain how they work, and then we look at how different security features built into PowerShell handle those, including constrained language mode and just enough administration. We will talk about attack techniques, including logging bypasses and anti-malware scanning interface or AMSI bypasses. And we wrap it all up by talking about PowerShell Core, the latest and greatest in PowerShell that works cross-platform on Windows, Linux, and Mac. I hope that you can join me in class and learn about the wonderful world of PowerShell and PowerShell hacking.